Okay, we're going to pick up our new puppy. Right now we're in the car driving to the farm where he's at. His name is Atlas. We named him in advance and we are like 2 minutes away from the place we're picking him up from.
Weaned, they're healthy. It's just, you know.
On solid puppy food.
Well, he's on the half and half right now.
So is there anything we should be doing then?
No.
Mom's doing
So he's on it. He's a rough and tough tumble boy. As you can tell.
No.
Oh, yeah. And if he'll keep his double blue eyes, I can't guarantee that because he's still at that stage where they could change yet. So
Okay.
we're hoping he does, because it'd be the first red puppy I had that keep double blue eyes. So
Okay, so that's part of it.
He's the size of a bunny rabbit.
Yeah, he is.
I think he's probably going to be a good-sized doggy.
So cute.
Yeah, Raven
Oh my
is
gosh.
about medium size. Raven weighs about 55 pounds
Hi.
in there. We're never able to get her into those crates and stuff.
I know, but like,
She definitely has this claustrophobic type feeling. So the vet and the trainer at one point finally
Mom,
told
Mom,
me,
you should have seen. He grabbed my mat.
We are now on our way home with Atlas and Dylan is holding him right now. And he is so cute. He's sitting there. He's this tiny little fluff ball of adorableness. His eyes are like vibrant blue right now. They don't know if they'll change. The breeder doesn't know if his eyes will change or if they'll stay that way. We hope they stay that way, but he's so beautiful. He's a little boy. He's, yeah. What is it?
Raven, down.
Down. I know, but I know I'm normally strict on that, but yeah. She's so excited. This is your new brother. That's how I do it. And Raven, it's not just a fake brother. It's a biological brother. Go sit.
Sit.
She's my friend.
Sit. Sit there. Everyone's take 3 steps back. Okay. 2, 3. And stay back. You're free to record or film anything you want.
Their first time meeting each other.
Guys, Raven is like a monster to ask. Stop talking.
Good girl, Raven.
Good girl.
No, Raven.
Let him.
Yes.
Sit on the ground here. Yeah, she's wagging her tail. It's good. Let go.
His first words.
You don't want Atlas to be afraid, though.
He's figuring it out. He's not afraid. They're learning. I'm sure he's gonna pee. We can't get him to go outside.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video here because we've got a lot of puppy work to do, but he is the cutest thing. Okay. Oh. Now they're outside. We're gonna see if Atlas reacts better outside. Raven is actually doing very well. She's not like barking or trying to play. Atlas, though, we were just inside and Atlas just started yelling and screeching at Raven. Atlas is terrified.
No.
Oh, cootie. They're doing good now, little Atlas.
Because all it does is kill moths.
He's exploring. Life is hard when you're like half a foot tall.
Picture that.
Can't-
Okay, now
can't
let's
get
let
up.
Raven
Oh, he got
hurt
up.
him.
He is eating this really nasty cat food. But
That's what he was looking for. He was looking for. They have to eat about 4 times a day.
okay, it's my turn to take Atlas and hang out with Atlas. He is the most adorable thing. Here's my hand compared to his head. He's like so tiny. The best way I can describe him is he's about the size of a fully grown guinea pig. It's about how big he is. He looks kind of big in the camera, but he's very tiny, and it's crazy. Like he has these gorgeous blue eyes that the breeder doesn't know if they'll change or not. We're hoping they won't change. But he is a red coat, or at least I don't know. It doesn't look red, but apparently it's called a red coat. And Raven is reacting pretty well to him. She like in the video you saw, like when we let them see each other, but Raven like was very nice. Atlas was pretty scared of Raven at first. She was like yelping at Raven and she was trying to hide, but like I don't know what Raven is doing. Well, she's chasing after something. Okay, she's trying to get a squirrel. And the squirrel got away. But yeah, squirrel. Okay. So yeah, Atlas, and now we made sure to keep them together, so Atlas is no longer afraid of Raven. Atlas pooped for the first time and ate and everything, and he's doing really well. So we're gonna see how bedtime goes with Atlas, if he does well. He really likes the outdoors. He likes being outside a lot. Yeah, he does. He's so happy. Atlas. Here is my foot compared to him. He's about the size of 2 of my feet, but like that's how tiny he is. Like if someone were to step on him, it would probably kill him. So